Hello, this is Sean Winders, Digital Coach for Union County. I want to show you how to kind of manage your projects with a to-do list. So if you're having a team meeting and you're trying to get everybody to kind of track who's done what and at what point, this is a pretty easy process. So the first thing I have on here is just you can type in what message you want, and once you're done with these, you can just delete line by line, and this is fine. So we're going to create a to-do list, and I'm going to say that was completed. I did find this is a pretty neat little trick. If you hit Control semicolon, it'll drop in the date, the current date automatically, and that's not the equals now date, so that's just that one time, and then you can fill in who completed the activity. So this is just kind of a handy way of just kind of tracking when things get done. So you notice I've got some color coding tricks on here, and that's all just done with conditional format. So the moment I hit a check, this all turns yellow, and then this is green and cross out. So how that's happening is if we actually look at format, conditional formatting, I have the rule right here, and I do custom formula, that if B right here is true, and that's if it's been checked, then I want it to turn green and get crossed out. So it's marked off the list. But you notice over here I have another rule, so let's look at it. Same thing, if it's B is true, then it's going to get crossed out. But I also have a second rule that if these are blank, to turn them yellow. So the moment these are no longer blank, they go away. But that's just marking it, hey, I need someone to fill the rest of that out. So these are really handy to do, and you could actually add another rule, and it says who's this assigned to, and we could set up some sort of like drop-down list to where you could assign the regular team members, or have more than one of these where you have multiple people assigned. But I think if you're working with a small enough group, it's just as easy to just go ahead and just type in who is responsible for what. But that's a really, like I said, a really easy to-do list that we could create, and I can make a copy of this and drop it into the post. But just let me know what you think, and if there's anything else I can do for you guys, don't hesitate to ask. And thank you for your time.
Hey, thanks for watching our video. If you would, please click the like button and subscribe so you can be up to date with any of our new videos. And thank you for watching.